I'm super excited to partner with Black+Decker, who has sent me the ultimate ice cream machine. Is there anything more exciting than making your own ice cream? Just a very soft khaki kind of mauve color with this beautiful champagne colored trim. I love it. It's much smaller than other ice cream makers. The size is terrific. It's not going to take up a lot of counter space. It is narrow in width. We have 3 quart holders, so we're going to make 3 different recipes and put them in the freezer and come back and show you how they turn out. We're going to make a vanilla ice cream. We're going to put 2/3 cup of heavy cream. We're going to put 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And a cup of whole milk. There you go. See the whole milk in there? For the second recipe, I'm going to make a strawberry sorbet, and I'm going to use some already made strawberry yogurt. I'm going to turn it into frozen yogurt and into a sorbet. So I'm going to put 12 ounces of strawberry yogurt into a container. The next step for that recipe will happen after it's frozen. And my third recipe is going to be a banana peanut butter milkshake, and it is going to be awesome. So I'm going to put 12 ounces of vanilla yogurt into a container. I'm going to put about a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, a 1/2 cup of milk, and I have pre-mashed up a banana. You want to get a slightly ripe banana for this recipe. And I'm going to stir up each of these. You want to just make sure that you stay below the maximum line. I'm going to freeze each of these for 24 hours and come back and show you how delightful they are. We will turn them into ice cream, sorbet, and a milkshake. I'm so excited to share with you the results of my Black+Decker ice cream maker. Now we have pre-mixed some vanilla ice cream. We have pre-mixed a strawberry sorbet and a banana peanut butter milkshake. Now what I have done is I have pre-mixed those items and put them in the freezer for 24 hours, and now it's time for the glory day. It's the ice cream day. So I have my vanilla mixture here, and I am going to pop it into the container. I'm going to put on the lid with the paddle in there and lock that in place. And we're going to open the door here, and we're going to turn the machine on and see all the different choices. We have ice cream, light ice cream, sorbet, gelato, yogurt ice cream, milkshake, mix in, and respin. So we're going to put that in, lock it in place, and we're going to press ice cream. Now it is churning away, and in just a few minutes we'll have delicious vanilla ice cream. Let's check it out. It actually plays a little happy tune when it's finished. And oh my goodness, look at this delicious vanilla ice cream. Oh, the texture's great. It tastes wonderful. Now, the Black+Decker package comes with a QR code with lots of recipes. Now, I've made fabulous vanilla ice cream. I'm going to show you how you can put mix-ins to this. You just make a little hole in the ice cream, and I'm going to add some blueberries. So I'm going to just add a few blueberries, and you can put chocolate chips, you can put cookies, you can put whatever you want. I am going to put the top back on. I'm going to put it in here, and we're going to press the mix-in button. See the different buttons here? This is the mix-in. Now it will determine how much mix is needed by what you put in there. And we will let that run for a minute and see how easy it is to add your favorite toppings mixed in. You can make cookies and cream this way. You can make chocolate chip. See how it raises the bowl up and mix it in just like a traditional soda fountain machine. Yay, now it's ready. I want to thank Black+Decker for providing this machine for me so I could share with you all these great recipes. Look at that. Delicious blueberry vanilla ice cream. Look how yummy that looks. Delicious. That is so good. Now we're going to move on to our next recipe, which is strawberry sorbet. Now what I did here was I just simply put strawberry yogurt in this mix, froze it overnight. We're going to press the sorbet button and watch it do its thing. Let's check out the sorbet. Ooh, that's delicious. Very light and fluffy. It's so good. Definitely lighter and just what you'd expect a sorbet to be. Now I can put some actual strawberries in for mix-ins with my sorbet. And use the mix-in feature. Now that's a very light dessert. It's actually frozen yogurt with fruit. That's all it is. And what a delicious frozen treat that's low in calorie and actually good for you. So this machine can do it all. I love this machine. Now let's check out the sorbet with the fresh fruit. Look at that. Look how yummy. That's absolutely delicious. What a wonderful frozen treat. Now we're going to make the banana peanut butter milkshake. My banana mixture is frozen. I'm gonna put it in the base. I'm gonna use the milkshake button and let it do its thing. Let's check out the milkshake. Now this is delicious. This is so good. This is delicious. It's so creamy. I'm gonna add this peanut butter in here because that's my recipe for today. You could put anything in there. And I'm going to have a little milk. Just give it a little splash. Depending on the consistency that you like, you can leave that part out or add liquid as you see fit. And use the mix-in. Now all of that is optional. You can do whatever. That's the beauty of this machine. You have 6 very great choices and the combination of ingredients are endless. This is an awesome machine. Now, the milkshake with the mix-ins. I'm going to tell you, if you happen to press a button too soon, it just pauses and goes right back to where it was in the process. So you don't have to worry about having it start all over. Now look at that consistency. That is yummy. So, so good. Milkshake quality. Now I can eat it right out of the container or I can put it in a cup. That is delicious. Now, the milkshake feature is so great. It could be used for smoothies and you could use yogurt instead of ice cream, mix your base, and you would have a very healthy smoothie. So this is my opinion of this machine. It is awesome. I love it. This is not a big clunky machine that you're going to put away and not use ever again. It's beautiful, it's stylish, it takes up very little counter space, and it's going to stay on my counter at all times. And I love this machine. Look at these beautiful recipes I made today. The possibilities are endless. Join me in making super fun recipes with the BLACK+DECKER ice cream machine. It's wonderful. I highly recommend it for lots of fun memories with your family.